Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a update, the weekly update to Google Chrome. If you want to make sure that you're safe, the Google Chrome security update of the week is one update, one security flaw fixed. It's a high severity flaw, and it is a high severity flaw. And V8, once again, it's called Race in V8, so there's something happening with the scripting engine. If you go to the upper right corner, 3 vertical dots, go down to Help, About Google Chrome, and you will be moved to one version of 144.0.7559.96 or 97, depending on what version of operating system you have. Since it's a problem in the V8 scripting engine, it means it will make its way to other browsers, including Edge, Brave, Opera, and all the Chromium-based browsers. So during the week, the next hours and days, it'll be important to check out about this update, making it through your browser. And it'll be important to do a fix. Doesn't seem to be a 0 day. They're not saying that it's disclosed or anything. They're keeping it so quiet sometimes on the Chromium side of things that it's not always easy. So this is the update for the week, one high severity flaw in V8. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.